Prime factors using factor tree. In this video, you will learn how to find the prime factors of a number using the factor tree method. What is meant by a prime factor? It is a prime number that divides a given number exactly without leaving a remainder. In one of the videos, we explained how to find all the factors of a number. Here, we will find only the prime factors of a number using the factor tree method. What is the factor tree method? The factor tree method is a way to find the prime factorization of a number by breaking it down into its prime factors step by step. First, split the given number into two factors, preferably dividing the number by the smallest prime number. If the factor is a prime number, put a circle around it to mark it as a prime factor. If the factor is not a prime number, continue splitting it until you are left with only primes. Write down all the circled numbers, which are the prime factors. Sounds confusing? No worries, let's see an example. Express 42 as a product of prime factors. Here, the given number is 42. Let's divide that by the smallest prime number, which is 2. 42 divided by 2 equals 21. The factors are 2 and 21. Since 2 is a prime number, circle it. 21 is not a prime number. So we have to split that again. 21 is not divisible by 2. So, let's try the following prime number 3. 21 divided by 3 equals 7. The factors are 3 and 7. Since both 3 and 7 are prime numbers, we can stop the factorization and circle the prime factors. Now, write down all the circled numbers and place a multiplication symbol between them. 2 times 3 times 7 equals 42. The final answer is 42 equals 2 times 3 times 7. Hope you have understood the factor tree method. Now, let's try with another example. Write 320 as a product of its prime factors. Here, the given number is 320. Let's divide that by the smallest prime number, which is 2. 320 divided by 2 equals 160. The factors are 2 and 160. Since 2 is a prime number, circle it. 160 is not a prime number. So we have to split that again. 160 divided by 2 equals 80. The factors are 2 and 80. Since 2 is a prime number, circle it. 80 is not a prime number. So we have to split that again. 80 divided by 2 equals 40. The factors are 2 and 40. Since 2 is a prime number, circle it. 40 is not a prime number. So we have to split that again. 40 divided by 2 equals 20. The factors are 2 and 20. Since 2 is a prime number, circle it. 20 is not a prime number. So we have to split that again. 20 divided by 2 equals 10. The factors are 2 and 10. Since 2 is a prime number, circle it. 10 is not a prime number. So we have to split that again. 10 divided by 2 equals 5. The factors are 2 and 5. Since both 2 and 5 are prime numbers, we can stop the factorization. Now, write down all the circled numbers and place a multiplication symbol between them. If the same factor appears more than once, you can write that as a power. Here, 2 appears 6 times so that we can write it as 2 to the power of 6. 2 to the power of 6 is 64. 64 times 5 equals 320. The final answer is 320 equals 2 to the power of 6 times 5.